we're looking for people who got more than one VLA. So Jeremy, what table or tables do I need?
Studies and students.
Okay, so we want those two tables. Of course, we do our join straight away so we don't forget. I'm hoping you blokes have got that pretty well under control by now. Okay, we're going to need to group stuff here. So because we're getting a category of some type of thing, what type of stuff are we going to look to see? So how would we group it? So I want to find all the kids. So I want to group it by the students. So technically speaking, you probably should put stud code in there as well. Because if you have two kids named Pat Peanut or Tony Tomato or whoever they are, it would group them together, even if they match. So we've got at least two Lachlan Smiths at the school at the moment. We had, when I was at St Joey's, we had three kids named Aaron Smith at the same time. So those type of things. At the end of the day, we want the result as well. So it's basically, if you can imagine a bundle of this student's results, and then we look at how many HAs, VLAs, etc. Okay, the couple that I saw, this is the bit you stuffed up. So whatever you have here needs to go up into your select. Once we've got them there, what are we doing with them? We're going to count them. It doesn't matter which one you choose, but probably the result is the logical one of the list. So that's everybody at the moment. Okay, we haven't limited it in any way. We want to put a condition on old mate over here, expression 1003. How do we limit this thing? So to just get the people who got more than one. Yeah, I need VLAs. So I want to limit this thing. So fellas, please watch, this is very important. Okay, is there a thing called result in your database? Yes. So in order to put a limit on that, it's in the where section. So result equals VLA. Okay, it doesn't go as a having. It's only later on that we look at that. So if we look at that, there's all our VLA recipients and how many they got. Now we want to put a limit or restrict or put some condition on this last bit. So the ones that have more than one. So the colon cabbages of this world get skipped out. Is there something in your database that looks like count of result? No, so we've had to make that. So you have it, if you're having to make it, you use having on it. So we say the count of result is greater than 1. Remember your greater than less than, work out which one it is. There is no shame to hold your hands up in the exam room. Okay, so there's all our ones that feature prominently. So there's a couple of 3s in there, so they might need some assistance.